What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be breaking down another topic that confuses beginners, generics. Generics let us write flexible, reusable code that can work with any data type while still catching errors at compile time. Let's say you want a class to store one value. You could write it for a specific type, like this, but what if you also need a box for a string or a double? You end up copying and pasting this code, changing the type every time. Not ideal. Instead, we can use a type parameter, like t. It stands for any type, and now our class becomes reusable. This means you can create a box string, a box integer, and even a box cat. And Java will enforce the types for you. Now, let's jump into the code, and see how this all works in action. We'll build a generic class, and use it with different types, tested live. Alright guys, here we are in our development environment, and now we are going to start the demo. So let's start off by creating a class called container. Let's pass in a generic argument. We're going to call it t public t value. Okay. I'm going to make this public too. Yeah, let's move this to container.java. Okay. So let's add some methods. Public void print, and we're just gonna system.out.println value this dot value dot toString. So let's create a new container. Integer container equals new container. Alright, container dot value equals 5 container dot print. So let's run this now. And we get 5. Okay, that's it for the demo. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.